sudden heavy downpour caused flooding in different parts of Metro Manila last night, making bumper-to-bumper traffic much worse. Netizens share their experience on social media. Flooding is expected, they say, but it could have been avoided. However, the Department of Public Works and Highways says there is no easy solution to flooding in Manila.
At any given point in time, hindi niya kayang in a second i-address yung pagbaha. But it takes time. But definitely nagsusubside naman yung tubig.
Engineer Ray Rosario refers to drainage mains that collect, transport, and dispose of flood water to Manila Bay.
Pagdating kasi ng flash flood, biglaan yan. Although meron tayong mga drainage main o canal within the area, yung inlet niya kasi o kaya yung daluyan ng tubig galing sa surface runoff, hindi naman niya makakaya in one time.
But what worsens flooding, he says, are garbage clogging drainage canals. In Pedro Hill, garbage is piled up on top of canals, making it easy for them to clog waterways during heavy rains.
Hindi pa rin tayo nakakasunod ng maayos dito. Yung waste segregation, proper waste disposal.
The DPWH implements regular declogging of canals all year round. However, it admits this is not enough to ensure a flood-free Manila. Garbage stuck in drainage mains can take up to 3 months to remove.
Pero yung binabanggit nyo na talagang totally i-drain natin ang Metro Manila o flood waters, yung zero talaga yung flooding yan ay medyo malaking task po yan at saka it involves a huge amount.
He, however, points out floods recede faster now. He says floods now recede in a matter of hours, unlike before when it took days.
After a few minutes, say 10 or 15 minutes, bumalik na yung normal na elevation ng tubig doon. At yung kalsada ay nadaanan na ng normal na sasakyan. So with that, we can conclude that the effect of flooding ay receding that fast.
By March 2016, the 560 million peso flood water interceptor project in Blumentritt is expected to be finished. The DPWH says it aims to minimize flooding in Quezon City and Manila, particularly along España. Ivy Saunar, CNN Philippines.